How to delete account on Facebook Lite. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can delete account on Facebook Lite. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. First thing is opening up your Facebook Lite account, and once you're logged in, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So the next process in order to delete your account is head over to the menu bar at the top right, the three horizontal lines. And once you're here, scroll down and look for settings. Open it up. Once you open up your settings and privacy, go to account center. And once you're here, you'll be finding different options available. Scroll down and go to personal details. Open it up. And under here, you'll be finding account ownership and control. Go ahead and tap on it and go to deactivation or deletion since we are deleting our account. After that, tap on your Facebook account and select the second option, that is deleting our account. After that, continue with the process. And if you have a page associated with your account, it will also be deleted along with your Facebook account. So be sure before deleting your account. After that, give a reason why you want to delete your account for privacy. You can just go ahead and tap and continue after that, and tap and continue again. And you can also back up your data if you want. After that, tap and continue. And in order to confirm your deletion, you need to enter your password for one last time. And once that is done, your account will be deleted. And remember, if you try to log in into your account before 20 to 30 days, it will be recovered. So make sure if you really want to delete your account, not to do that. So that is how you delete your account on Facebook Lite by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.